कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट भनेको नेपालीमा भान्सा प्रतियोगिता भन्दा पनि हो भोजन प्रतियोगिता खानाको प्रतियोगिता आज सेन्ट पल हाई स्कुल जयगाउँ मङ्गलबारेमा नानीहरूको भोजन प्रतियोगिता फुड कन्टेस्ट कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट भएको छ अनि कुकिङ कन्टेस्टमा सम्पूर्ण नानीहरू उत्साहित देखिन्छन् अनि विभिन्न क्लासका नानीहरूले आफ्नो आफ्नो किसिमले बनाएका आइटमहरू खानाका विभिन्न प्रयोजनहरू विस्तार गरिएको छ
Rushing is there in the Kopan area. Rush in the Kopan area. Yeah. So they are the customer. Okay, good.
एकदमै उत्साहित देखिन्छ बिहानैदेखि अनि आज सम्पूर्ण नानीहरूले घरको खाना नखाएर स्कुलमा आफ्ना दादा दिदी दाजुभाइहरूले बनाएका पकाएका पकोडाहरू खानपिनहरूको लागि खाने भनेर चाहिँ उनीहरू बिहानैदेखि तम्सिएर आएका छन्
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So are you excited today?
Very excited today, and even our student is also very excited, sir.
Okay, so how much budget do you expect to make today?
Budget, sir, I think it will cross more than 5,000.
Okay.
3,000 expecting,
Okay,
sir.
3,000. So how much like advertisement and promotional work you did?
Sir, we have done some chart paper work, and also we have encouraged junior students
Yes.
to purchase from our stall, Food Mela.
Okay,
And
okay.
they are also very excited, sir.
So what are the how many items you have?
Sir, we have around 4 to 5 items, sir.
Okay, class.
Class 8.
Okay. All the best. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
सबै नानीहरू कुकिङ कन्टेस्टमा भाग लिने भान्से नानीहरू पनि स्टुडेन्टहरू पनि साथसाथै खरिद गरेर खाने कस्टमरहरू पनि ग्राहकहरू पनि उत्तिकै उत्साहित देखिन्छ अहिले बिहानैदेखि भिडभाड छ आज शनिबारको दिन 2 क्लास भई 2वटा क्लासहरू लिइसकेपछि उनीहरू सम्पूर्ण कुकिङ कन्टेस्टमा भाग लिइरहेका छन्
This is class 9. Hello. So which
Good
class is
morning,
this?
sir.
Good morning.
This is class 9.
Okay, how many items do you have today?
We have 5 items.
Okay, what are the names of the items?
Momos, brinjal chop and aloo dum
Yeah.
and chili chop.
Yes.
Lassi.
Oh, lassi also you
Yes,
have.
sir.
And can you tell me what are the price rate for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Aloo dum price is 10 rupees plate
Yeah.
or momo 20 rupees plate or
Yeah.
this is 5 rupees plate. Lassi is 5 or 10 rupees
Okay. So are your friends cooperating?
plate. Yes, sir.
So what is this going on here?
They are making momos.
Okay, momo. Momo, is this vegetable momo or non-veg?
Vegetable momo.
Okay, vegetable momo. So who is this girl?
She is
Oh,
chef
she is the main
of
chef.
our Class 9.
Okay, main chef.
बनाउने खानापिना बनाउँदै बेच्नेहरूले बेचिरहेका छन् खानेहरू किन्नको लागि व्यस्त छन् यता काउन्टरमा कुपन सिस्टम गरेको छ अनि यो कुपन सिस्टम चाहिँ पैसा तिरेर कुपन लिन्छ अनि त्यो कुपन लिएर गएर प्रत्येक स्टलमा विभिन्न क्लासका जो विद्यार्थीहरूले कुकिङ सेलिङ कन्टेस्ट राखेको छ मतलब काउन्टर छ अनि त्यो काउन्टरमा गएर उनीहरूले त्यो कुपन देखाएर त्यहाँबाट के किन्ने उनीहरूले त्यो आइटम्सहरू विभिन्न आइटमहरू किनेर खान्छन्
Hello, good morning, Miss Lakshmi.
Good morning, everyone.
Tell me something about your excitement, how you feel today while doing this cooking contest.
Actually, we are thrilled that St. Paul gave a great opportunity for the students to show the talent, and from this, we're going to learn about the marketing, hospitality,
Yeah.
these things.
Okay, so what are the items you have in your group?
We have chotpate. We have prepared for fast food and all because
Yeah.
it is easier for them to cook, and as children loves to eat that.
And can you tell me some of the price rate?
Okay, we have kept minimum price 5 and maximum it goes to till 10 rupees.
Okay. So, and how much customer will be attracting to you? Have you made any promotional or advertising?
Yeah, we
work?
already went to all the classes and gave a promotional,
Yeah.
and even students are very excited to see our whatever we have
And
done.
when are you going to finish all this?
Okay, almost
preparation?
everything is done.
Okay.
Just few of the items it is being cooked.
Okay, but I think we have to start the selling part. Okay.
Yes, sir. We are very
Yes.
excited to do that.
This is jalmuri,
Jalmuri, yes,
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Wow. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you going to buy?
Puchka.
Oh, only puchka. Oh, everybody puchka. And you? Oh, French fry. French fry. This is the rush in the Kopan area. Kopan area rush. Busy rush. Advertisement is going on and busy rush is there.
आजको एकदमै स्पेसल आइटमहरू भनेको पकोडा, फ्रेन्च फ्राई, मोमो, पुच्का अनि विभिन्न आइटमहरू थिए अनि सम्पूर्ण नानीहरूले किनेर खानमा एकदमै मजा गरिरहेका छन्। विशेष गरी यो कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट राखिएको प्रयोजन यसको उद्देश्य चाहिँ के हो भने नानीहरू भविष्यमा गएर व्यावसायिक बन्न सक्छन्, उनीहरूले होटल खोल्न सक्छ, होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट गर्न सक्छन्, रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्न सक्छ अनि यसरी आफ्नो कला अनुसार आफूले बनाएको पकौडा खानपिन बेचेर पनि जीवन उपार्जन गर्न सक्छन्, आय स्रोत प्रशस्त बनाउन सक्छन्। अहिले भर्खरैको समयमा होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट एउटा एकदमै फ्लोरिसिङ ग्रोइङ इन्डस्ट्री भएको छ अनि यो एउटा राम्रो व्यवसाय भएको छ। प्रत्येक मानिसले आफ्नै हिसाबले आफ्नो ठाउँमा होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट अर्थात् रेस्टुरेन्टहरू खोलेर प्रशस्तसँगले इन्कमहरू कमाइरहेको छ र नानीहरूले यसरी यो कुकिङ कन्टेस्टमा भाग लिएर भविष्यमा उनीहरू एउटा व्यावसायिक प्रोफेसनल सेफ बन्न सक्छ, होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट गरेर होटलको मालिक बन्न सक्छ, रेस्टुरेन्टको मालिक बन्न सक्छ र आफ्नो जीविका चलाउन सक्छ र यसरी नानीहरू सही छन्। यसको मेन उद्देश्य भनेको यही नै हो र यिनीहरू भविष्यमा गएर सामान्य ग्राहक मात्र नबनेर एउटा उत्पादकमूलक जनता उत्पादकमूलक नागरिक बन्न सक्छन् र उनीहरूले आफ्नो जीविका आर्जन गर्न सक्छन् र यसरी सेन्ट पल हाई स्कुलमा आज कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट एकदमै सुन्दर ढङ्गले प्रयोजन भयो।
Okay, ma'am, you are the main organizer. So, what type of fillings and you have, and what is your preparation?
The preparation was very well. We coordinated with each other. Each and every students, they were very much fun-loving to do this cooking competition.
Yeah.
They are happily participating in this. These all ideas were there.
Yeah.
This new youths, everything they have done by themselves. I was only the guidance for them.
Oh, yes. And how much income do you expect today? How much selling?
Sir, of course, for 3,000 to 4,000 we are
Okay.
expecting.
Okay. And have you done your promotional work?
Of course, sir, we have done.
Okay. So, it's going to finish or still cooking is going on?
So it will be cooked, sale, cooked, sale.
Great. Okay.
Because we believe in hygiene.
Yes, yes. Rushing is there in the Kopan area. Rush in the Kopan area. Yeah. So they are the customer. Okay, good. Hello, sir. How are you?
Very fine and good morning to everyone.
Yes. Are
It
you
is-
excited today,
Yeah,
sir?
we are very excited as our students are preparing for this
Yeah.
food mela.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yes. Yeah. Tell
And-
me something about your excitement and your preparation.
while preparing, while we have discussed about this food mela to our students, they were very excited and they
Yeah.
were eagerly waiting for this moment
Yeah.
to come.
And
And you can see how students are excited and they are preparing everything.
yeah. And
We
do you
have
think
several
that-
items here as
Okay.
you can see in our menu
Oh
board.
yeah. This is the menu.
Yes, sir.
So you have momo, you have what is
Aloo-dum,
that? Aloo-dum
pakora is
and
there,
pakora,
lassi is
lassi
also
and
there.
tea.
Yeah.
The tea is also there.
Tea is also there. Yes, sir.
Okay,
It will go
okay,
with
okay.
pakora very well.
Yes. And sir, how much do you expect? How much income do you expect today?
Let's hope
Net
for
selling.
Let's hope for above 2,000.
Okay, 2,000.
Yes, sir.
And how much the promotional work you did?
Sir, as
Advertising.
you can see, there we have made very good-looking chefs, and
Okay.
also we have a mouth promotion is going on.
Okay.
We are requesting all the
promotion.
teacher and student to visit our stall.
Yeah.
We have kept price menu very less and reasonable, so everyone can purchase.
Yes, 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 yes.
So everybody is welcome to our stall of
Okay.
class
All
9.
the best. God bless
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please. My order is 2 cup tea early.
र नानीहरू एकदमै उत्साहित थिए अनि साथसाथै टिचरहरूले उनीहरूलाई पहिला नै उत्साह दिएको कारण चाहिँ उनीहरू यसरी भाग लिइरहेका छन्। सबैजना आज यो फुड मेला खानाको मेला जस्तै भएको छ। उनीहरू यहाँदेखि त्यहाँदेखि त्यहाँ विभिन्न आइटमहरू कमसेकम 4वटा फुड स्टल राखिएको थियो। यसमा कमसेकम 35 र 30वटा आइटमहरू थिए र सबैजनाले विभिन्न किसिमका खानाको जो टेस्टहरू लिए अनि किनेर आजको बिजनेस हो नि भनेको कमसेकम 10 देखि 12 हजारको थियो। कमसेकम रतिभन्दा ज्यादा पनि हुनसक्छ र आफ्नो आफ्नो सेलिङ कसले बढी एडभर्टाइजमेन्ट गर्यो, कसले बढी प्रमोसन गर्यो, कसले बढी सेलिङ गर्यो, कसको आइटम राम्रो थियो, कसको आइटम एकदमै टेस्टी थियो र त्यस पछाडि अन्तिममा गएर यिनीहरूको कम्पिटिसनको रूपमा हेरिनेछ। जसले राम्रो सेलिङ गर्छ, जसको राम्रो सेटअप थियो, त्यो अनुसार उनीहरू आफ्नो आफ्नो स्थान ओगटेछन् र सेन्ट पल हाई स्कुलमा आजको यो सुन्दर होटल कुकिङ कन्टेस्ट प्रयोजन भएको छ अनि समाप्त भएको छ।
The cooking contest is going on, and this is class 8 of St. Paul High School. Hi, Asika.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what are the items do you have today
Today
for
we
cooking
have
contest?
coffee, chaat, potato cutlet with pani puri and jhalmuri.
Yes. So what are the price rate for each? Each one
For
of them.
coffee, for half cup we have 5 rupees and for full cup we have 10.
Yeah.
And for chaat, one plate is only 10 rupees. Pani puri 4 piece is equals to 10 and potato cutlet is 1 piece only for 5 rupees and jhalmuri for 10.
Okay, 10 rupees. And what is your budget expectation today? How much budget you are expecting today?
Today we spent about 1500, so I expect more than 2500 today.
Okay, nearly 1,000 net profit, your expectation. And how much advertisement you did? Are the customer coming to buy your items?
Yeah, I guess so. They will be.
These days promotion is very important, okay? Cooking contest is going on, and here is Madam Khushbu, the Vice Principal of St. Paul High School. Hello, Madam.
Hello, sir.
How is your excitement and feelings about this cooking contest today?
Well, I'm extremely excited because we can see here how excited our students are and how hard they have worked to make this actually possible. They have collected things, materials, they have planned well, now they're executing, and like their execution shows an example of management. So this is how they are learning. This is an event of learning.
Are they excited? Are they interested in doing this all?
Of course, sir, they are interested. This is why we can see their movement so much. They're so excited and they have planned well, I think.
Okay. So, by what time will this program finish?
By 12, we will try to make it over. We'll keep it in the school time.
Yeah.
But let's see if it extends, no problem.
Okay. What is the main motive of organizing this contest? cooking
The main
contest?
motive of this contest is to actually promote sales, plus also motivate them to work in team. Let them see how the management works, division of work should and all, to encourage them
Yeah.
to
That's
actually
very,
deal in society.
yeah. And actually, this cooking has been one of the very exciting profession.
Of
So even if they don't get government job, they will be engaged in their own business activities like hotel or
No, sir,
restaurants. and they'll be
actually
on.
this contest will give them a platform. They will see how to manage, how to learn, how to cook. They normally don't cook at home. So in this contest, they will see how a gas is even plugged in, how they actually on it, how they use the stuff,
Yes.
and yes, how they can actually earn the profit after investment.
Yes. Thank you.